Updating your primary email on Coinbase is a straightforward process that ensures your account remains secure and accessible. Follow these simple steps to make the change. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Visit the Coinbase website or open the mobile app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Settings menu. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Email or Email Preferences. Click on this option to view your current email address and options for updating it. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new primary email address in the provided field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure the email is entered correctly. Step 5. Confirm the change. After entering your new email, you will likely need to verify the change. Check your new email inbox for a confirmation link from Coinbase and follow the instructions to finalize the update. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Coinbase will be updated. Always remember to keep your account information secure and up to date.